he can live a little, you know. I wonder was he trying to appease anybody, like by getting married so young?
Yeah, and then like my family was on TikTok. Everybody knew we were getting married that next year is when I was like,
That first name real long, but where he at? I ain't seen him, but I don't work in the morning anymore.